What's up, guys? So back with another video today. I've been putting this off. I've had it for a while, and you know, just life gets in the way and I get busy. We got the ToastMade, I want to call it a skin. It's more or less, it's hard to explain what it actually is. I guess we would call it a wood skin. It's made in the USA. They sent this out. They didn't pay me to say anything. I've always looked at their stuff, and you know, the quality of it is just insane. They're doing a leather as well, I believe, as you can see in the bottom. Designed with heart, cut by lasers, and finished by hand in Portland, Oregon. So this is all done in the USA. So if you want to support an actual USA company, these are the guys. I got my iPad Pro. This is the 12. It'll work on the 11-inch to 12-inch. I think they have them for all models. I'll throw everything down in the description, like the prices and whatnot. I believe the prices are actually inside. Right now, I got a D-brand black matrix on here. Then we're going to be yanking that off, and let's install this baby. So the normal unboxing procedure, you just pop it open, and there you go. Now we're going to get the little thing here, and I wanted to show you, I think there are prices on here actually. We're going to kill my name and whatnot. Here we go. See if we can get that camera to focus. So there's the model, 12.9 3rd gen iPad cover, which is ebony. If you wanted etching, meaning you put your name in, it's $5 extra. Mine's plain. Custom design, no. That would be $30 each. And there's a screen surround that I'm probably not going to use. That's $15 extra because I'm using tempered glass, but we'll look at it. And if you wanted to add like your name or something like that, it would be $5 more. Now the actual price doesn't show here, but as you can see, they do quality control on the whole thing to make sure what you're getting works. That I like. I love this. So let's see what we got here. This is the actual skin per se, if that's what you want to call it. This is real wood. Can you smell that through the camera? That was like real wood. And then this is the little, what they call screen enclosure. Now, I think I can use this for parts and not use it for other parts. So that's what we'll do. All right, so let's check this out. I'm doing it in a slightly lazy approach. I want to be able to keep this. This is kind of cool. I don't know if it'll pull off, but hey, I'm gonna try it. I don't want to go get a heat gun. Let's see if this works. It should. All right, so what we got to do with this thing, basically just peel off. Now, another thing good with these skins is they're very rigid, and there's really not that much alignment on any of them. I've done a few, and you basically just slap it on. It's not, I really shouldn't have cut my nails. I'm spending more time getting these peels off than actually doing any work. Here we go. So you just give it a good peel. Just like that. Now what I always like to do, I like to turn the iPad on an angle. Let's push down all these little spots. I'm keeping this just for the fun of it because it looks cool. But you want to line up, always want to line up by the camera, and then you come down and you line up for the keyboard prongs or whatever those bad boys are actually called. But we got that perfectly lined up. There we go, I think. I'm never like the master when it comes to this stuff, but there we go. Give it a firm press. Now mine's gonna look a little bit different on the bottom because I got that black. And it does work. Doesn't add any kind of a bulk to it, which is kind of cool. Give it a good press. I like the way that looks, and it smells. It's got that nice wood smell, which is just cool. Give you a nice alcohol prepared, nice and big. Kenton, I'm wondering if that's USA made too. All right, let's see what we got in this little envelope. I actually forgot to do the envelope on one of my other installs, and they reached out and said, you know, did you see it? And then I found it later on. I was like, I'm not gonna make a whole new video just installing these. So let's see, what do we got here? All right, so, like I said, I'm not gonna do the screen just because. Let's look at all of these different pieces and let's get an idea of what they are. All right, I think I figured it out. This piece here is for the speaker grill. Not sure why it's done like this, but you want to be careful because it's not vinyl. Wash it home because, you know, you paid for this and you want it to come as perfect as humanly possible. I'm just trying to figure out how it goes. Oh, here we go. This is the one for the top. Okay, so. Am I getting it on camera? No. So you want to line up microphones like that. Boom. And then press. And then boom. Peel it ever so lightly. All right. Now we know from the other piece that see, that's going to go around the button. Line that up as best as humanly possible. We're not robots here. But boom, that's on. Even though I broke it, perfect. All right, let's see what other pieces we got here. This is for the SIM tray. If you had the LTE model, I don't have the LTE model. These are like for the buttons, if you wanted to put them on these buttons. Personally, I'm not gonna put them. Whatever. Anyway, you get the point, guys. I'm killing myself here. Anyway, so these pieces are for the front of the iPad. There's more pieces over here. Let's see here. Parts are for the bottom speakers. I'm gonna do this final piece, and then we're gonna call this a day, because I don't wanna take up all your time. You guys are probably fast forwarding and who knows by now what you guys are doing. I don't blame you. Now this piece here, I'm guessing they didn't want to do it in a solid piece, but they could have. Yeah, see, that's for that. So let's pop this one on. Oops, wrong side. Let's pop this side on. But alignment-wise, this is nothing like doing a vinyl skin. This literally just like pops on because it's so rigid. So if you have a hard time with a vinyl skin, you're gonna fly through this. And you can get the idea of it. It is beautiful. You could make it say something on the back if you wanted to. They'll engrave it in there with lasers, and it looks great. I like the way it looks on my iPad. And this is the kind of thing, like, you do it and then you never touch it again. It's not like a vinyl skin. It's not going to get messed up. And the only way you can mess this up is basically burn it. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it around. It's a lot of work to get these companies to send this stuff out. And then actually getting it on my device. Now, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, I love the way this looks. It does look very cool. I'm going to keep it. So please do leave a thumbs up. Drop any questions you got down below. anything I might have done better, or maybe you guys can tell me if I did screw up, didn't screw up on this piece, or maybe if I did. You know, anything you guys want to add, just drop down below. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Laters. Peace.